This is Pictar Pro. It makes your phone function and feel like a DSLR. See, every time a new smartphone comes out, it's always about one thing. The camera. They've gotten amazing. Every small detail of the camera is always examined. The size of the sensor, the amount of light that goes in, a new special tech for pixels, and mountains of software and algorithms, as they call it today, AI. When you look closely at the efforts, they're made of two different things. One is to make a better camera, and the other is to make everyone's experience with it a good one. That second part basically means that you and a man who lives in a cave will have the same outcome. Point, tap, and that's it. Nothing to think about or configure. So many unbelievable technological achievements in these cameras that are even more amazing when you can control them, and they're buried under mountains of menus. Some of them can't even be controlled at all. Pictar Pro enables photographers to use all the smartphone camera's incredible features while maintaining a great user experience. Here's how it works. I downloaded the Pictar app, then I just slide Pictar on. Now let's say I want to take a picture of our camera guy. I use this wheel here that controls exposure. Then I slowly move the zoom to the desired spot, then a short shutter press for focus, and there. A perfect professional picture. The 3 Ps of photography. I just invented that. That's not even a real thing. Pictar feels and looks just like a classic camera. It has a brass body with a satin chrome finish, just like Leica or Minox. Besides looking beautiful, that metal gives Pictar the firm grip and weight of a camera for better stability. Just like a camera, Pictar has 4 external buttons and wheels for precise control over the phone's camera and for unleashing its full potential. To really complete the camera feel and help take pictures when the sun glares on the phone, there's the viewfinder. It makes me feel like Annie Leibovitz, or Robert Capa, might be a better choice, being a man and all. Let's look at the features. Pictar comes with an app that detects all your phone's abilities, and in most phones even adds capabilities that other phones have. It also has advanced video features. Just like a real camera, every one of those features is accessible through the wheels and buttons of Pictar. Take, for example, the continuous zoom, an important tool when shooting a video. With Pictar, I just use the rocker switch. Through the app, I can even control the speed of the zoom. Simple enough even for the caveman. Then there's the shutter release button that easily takes pictures when fully pressed, and that locks focus and exposure when half pressed. There's the exposure compensation wheel for better lighting control. It also allows for a quick flip between front and back cameras, you know, for a quick selfie between shots. This button here is called the Smart Wheel. It allows the user to easily scroll between 8 preset modes, including full manual, shutter priority, ISO, and a video mode offering advanced video features such as white balance, shutter speed, and frame rate. The Pictar app offers so many professional photo and video options, just choose. I'll go with macro. I'm gonna focus on this spider. We couldn't get a real spider? Press the button, and that's it. A macro shot of a fake spider. I can also use the manual focus on whatever part I choose. Because it's a camera, on the top of Pictar Pro there is a cold shoe connector for LED devices or a shotgun mic, and on the bottom you can connect a tripod. Another feature I like is that Pictar has a built-in battery and it wirelessly charges your phone when it's in, so your shoots don't end abruptly with a dead battery. Pictar Pro works with really almost any phone as long as it has a phone shape and with most phone cases. Also, it's future-proof, meaning that whatever new OS or new Android candy name will come out, Pictar Pro upgrades to fit it. And there's no setup or pairing process. Pictar's app and buttons work through an ultrasonic wireless system that takes very little energy with instant engagement. Just plug and play.
This is Pivo. In tech speak, it's a smart interactive pod for your smartphone photography. In plain English, it's just an awesome turning awesomeness. It's not going to make your life better, but it is going to let you be insanely creative with your photos and videos. Here's how. Pivo can follow you as you move.
We always start with sanding.
With both front and back cameras. So now your video blogs look pro.
Secret for a perfect cake is all in the ingredients. Oh, I forgot the cream.
It can also follow objects like your moonwalking shoes or your sock puppet Sylvester Stalsock. Adrian! Not the right movie. Pivo partnered with Restream, so whatever you shoot, with Pivo you can go live on over 30 platforms at once, so all your followers can enjoy your sock. Pivo has a lot of quick creation modes. This is Versus Mode. Good for rap battles.
My name drops in, you can kiss my feet.
Yo. Whatever.
But also for this.
I'm here with my boo.
Who's that guy?
What guy?
This is Mini-Me. For a shot with Mini You. Even a view coming to hug you but being blocked by you while you look at the entire thing laughing. Man, you're a jerk to you. This is a mode called Perfect Panorama. You know, so there's no this. Ouch. This is Double Take. For videos of everyday bummers. Or for when you want to express how you feel about your diet. This is Flash mode. Go long, Sylvester. And this is 50-50, where 50% of the screen is still, 50% video, and 100% nice. And there's also Tiny Planet and Motion Time-Lapse. It's time-lapse, but with motion. Move it, people. And with the Pivo tray, you can use turntable mode for 360 product shots or to lick ice cream evenly. Pivo can work by snapping your fingers, saying cheese, with a remote, and of course with the app, because it's smart, like you. Pivo is for YouTubers, speakers, comedians, wannabe comedians, content creators, photographers, suck puppets, wannabe suck puppets, and just people. Now it's up to you. Get Pivo. Be creative. Insanely creative.
This is Lumapod, an ultra-compact tripod solution. When we travel, we always pack our tripod, but we got tired of lugging around heavy, bulky tripods that take forever to set up. That's why we created Lumapod. With a simple pull and twist, Lumapod's patented tensioning mechanism ensures a stable setup in seconds. We created 2 separate models and optimized them for different demands. Whether you're spending a beautiful day with your family, spontaneously hiking and camping in the mountains, or exploring a new city, spend less time setting up your gear and more time capturing those amazing life memories. Twist, pull, set, and you're ready to go. We integrated modular leg extensions, so you can easily adapt Lumapod to your needs. It's made to be brought everywhere, and designed to be ready instantly, so you can capture and share your experiences in the moment. Use it with your smartphone, mirrorless, or DSLR camera. It easily fits in your pack, so you can always enjoy the benefits of a tripod. Confidently capture those long exposures. Effortlessly snap a selfie, and then set it down to capture a self-portrait. We are so close to finalizing this project. Back us today and help bring Lumapod to the world.
Shooting cinematic footage is no longer just about image quality, but motion. This is MUI, the first pocket-sized dolly for smartphones, making it possible for everyone to capture cinematic footage. With the retractable phone holder and the patent-pending rotary legs, make it possible to achieve perfect linear and curved movements with one tool. What about cameras? Just snap the swivel clip and mount your DSLR, mirrorless, or action cameras. The secure ball joint allows you to capture from any angle. The foldable legs make it compact and create a low center of gravity, providing the best balance even with a DSLR. We've tried hard to develop additional abilities for MUI that enhance its ease of use and boost your creativity. Attaching the Flow modules will transform MUI into a motorized dolly. Flow is the most intuitive and simple way to have an automated motion. Just turn it on and scroll for speed adjustment. With Flow X, MUI becomes completely hands-free. You can adjust speed, direction, and control your camera remotely. MUI will go fast enough to follow the action and slow enough to capture perfect time lapses. Track will turn your MUI into a lightweight and easy to set up slider that can be mounted to any tripod. It is made from airplane grade aluminum to ensure the best quality and stability. It's foldable and compact. Just put it into your backpack and discover the world. MUI is small but powerful. It can shoot steep incline shots on load, climbing freely along the track without a cable or belt. We've gathered an amazing team of product designers and engineers. We iterated and tested it over and over again, finally creating something we are truly proud of. Our mission is to empower and inspire people to tell better stories and make professional videography available for everyone, anywhere, at any time.
I was surfing, I was the only person out, it was 4:30 in the morning. Everything was pretty dark on land because of the way the moon was shining, but they said they saw a light turn on and they saw me take off, drop down the wave. You know, it's like a couple hundred feet away and they were just like, who is that and what's going on? They could just see me going through the barrel and down the line, and I had this amazing session just on my own. To capture those moments and to be able to share it with the world, I wouldn't be able to do it without the Lytra torch. My name is Anthony Walsh. I'm a pro surfer, GoPro athlete, and Body Glove ambassador.
We started working with Anthony Walsh about 2 years ago. We set out to make the world's brightest action sports LED light.
What would make the perfect light? It's waterproof, it's drop proof. It's a light like a Swiss Army knife that fits all my needs.
There are a lot of lights out there on the market, and not all lights are created equal. We have 2,200 lumen LEDs in a single torch. And for something that fits in the palm of your hand, that's a lot of light. The Lytra torch fits exactly into one of these GoPro cables.
Having just a small little light that I can use with all these different accessories that I already have, it's a no-brainer for me.
This light is really the perfect companion to a GoPro. It was designed to keep up in battery life and beam angle. It's waterproof up to 10 meters. It's drop proof. It's dust proof. In addition, we have 2 quarter 20s. We have a magnet. We have a clip. So there's a lot of versatility built into our design and accessories to go along with it.
I think it stimulates everyone's imagination. Yeah, you have a camera, you have a GoPro, you have an iPhone or whatever you shoot with. Every person's different. Everyone has their own technique and their own style, and there's so many things you can do with it. It's just think of a shot, you can get it. You just have to think how you're going to get it.
In fact, this video shoot is lit by 3 torches right now. The team at Lytra has been designing high-end LED lighting solutions for top brands for the last 6 years. We've selected the best LEDs for the brightness, for the color temperature, with the right beam angle, and we've designed it at a very affordable price.
I've needed it every day. If I charge my phone, I'm charging my GoPro and my torch, because they're the 3 most important things I use every day.